Now that we know how to conjugate it, let us see how these verbs appear in the negative form. Form negative. To see it in the negative form. Now, you know that for a negative sentence, we add na before and pa after the verb. In this case, we have the verb and the reflexive pronoun. So, in this case, they are taken as one. So, na appears before the reflexive and pa comes after the verb. So, je ne me réveille pas tôt. I do not wake up early. I do not wake up early. So, it is conjugated for je. The next example is elle ne se couchait pas avant minuit. Elle ne se couchait pas. So, se coucher is the verb. We have ne before it and pas after it. Elle ne se couchait pas avant minuit. Before midnight. She does not sleep before midnight. So, that is how we write the reflexive verbs in the negative form. Now, next, how do we ask a question using these verbs? So, the question, à quelle heure est-ce que tu te couches? At what time is it that you sleep? Tu te couches. So, here we see tu te couches. Tu is the subject and it is conjugated for tu. So, this is how you write a question using the reflexive verb.